The AI world just went full sci-fi, and you're not ready for what just dropped. Tokyo has built a thinking machine that ticks like a brain, not like code. Abacus just gave its AI control over 5,000 real-world apps. Alibaba figured out how to fake Google search, and cut costs by almost 90%. And get this, Honor phones just beat Google's own Pixel to the punch, running V2 before Google's even touched it. Oh, and Tencent? They're deep-faking faces with terrifying precision. Apple's now using AI to stretch your iPhone's battery. And Saudi Arabia just dropped nearly $1 trillion into a GPU empire, with Elon, Altman, and Trump in the same room. Let's dive in. Tokyo's brain-inspired AI, Sakana. First up, Tokyo's underdog AI lab. Sakana, founded by Transformer co-creator Lion Jones and David Ha, just declared war on traditional AI architecture. Instead of fixed layers, their model thinks in real-time micro-ticks. Neurons, writing little diaries of their own thoughts, deciding when to think more. Or just stay quiet. That's right. This model chooses when it's done thinking. A simple problem? It solves it in 2 ticks. A hard one? Maybe 30. It's like each neuron has its own internal stopwatch. During ImageNet testing, it clocked in at 72.47% top 1 accuracy, without using any of the usual transformer crutches like positional embeddings or fixed depth. Want to see it in action? There's a live demo that lets you literally watch neurons blink like fireflies in the dark as they figure out a maze. No coordinates, no map hints. And here's the kicker. Easy prompts barely use any GPU. But the second things get tricky, the model ramps up, meaning it thinks harder only when it needs to. Abacus unleashes. Deep Agent 2.0. Next, Abacus just turned its Deep Agent from a cute productivity assistant into an AI automation monster. The new upgrade? It's called MCP, Model Context Protocol, and it lets your AI actually do things, like real things. Send emails, schedule meetings, summarize GitHub, pull requests, even automate your entire Shopify store. With one connection, Deep Agent now talks to over 5,000 apps through Zapier. No code, no setup headaches. Just connect your accounts and tell it what to do in plain English. Hey, summarize all emails from last month about my SEO course. Boom. Results sorted. Reply to each with a new course link. Done. Automatically. It's not just single tasks either. You can chain workflows, like monitor emails, add leads to Google Sheets, update CRM, send Slack ping. Your AI just became your assistant, project manager, and ops team in one. Alibaba's zero search revolution. Meanwhile, Alibaba engineers asked a wild question. Can we train an LLM to fake Google well enough that even the AI can't tell the difference? Turns out, yes, and it's way cheaper. Their Zero Search project trains AI to imitate web search by generating fake snippets from offline data. No more hammering APIs, no more Google fees. Result? They built a retriever that actually outperforms live Google on some benchmarks and did it for 88% less cost. Even better? It's fully synthetic, so it works with private data, offline corpora, and zero API limits. The internet just got optional. Honor beats Google to the V2 punch. In one of the biggest curveballs of the year, Google's own next-gen V2 image-to-video AI isn't launching on Pixel. It's launching on Honor phones. You heard right. The $550 Honor 400 lets you take any photo, pet pic, AI art, even a painting, and turn it into a 5-second video with animated camera moves, blinking eyes, and subtle breathing. All on device. That's no Gemini subscription, no cloud, no gimmicks. Just tap, animate, and wait 60 seconds for the magic. Meanwhile, Pixel fans, still waiting. Tencent's face-swapping monster over in China. Tencent just dropped Hunyuan Custom, probably the most overkill video personalization suite on GitHub right now. This thing can keep a person's face identical across every frame, lip-sync to audio, inject images, or even swap out a handbag without messing up the scene. And yes, it's open source. The catch? It eats 80 gigs of VRAM just to run. But hey, if you've got a beast GPU, you're in for some magic. Apple's AI battery magic. Now, Apple's quietly working battery voodoo into iOS 19. It reads battery behavior, app habits, and even background task triggers, all on device, to throttle power draw before your phone wastes juice. No cloud, no data sharing, just smarter battery decisions, instantly. iPhone 17 is set to be the first phone built around this new tech. And yes, older models will get it too. Expect longer battery life without lifting a finger. Saudi Arabia's $940 billion AI empire. And finally, Saudi Arabia just launched Humane, a $940 billion AI venture with one goal: become the global GPU superpower. They're buying everything: data centers, NVIDIA Blackwells, and top-tier talent. Elon Musk, Sam Altman, Zuckerberg, and even Trump were all in Riyadh this week. If it lands, Humane could offer the cheapest AI compute on the planet, solar-powered, liquid-cooled, and open for business to everyone from Boston to Bangalore. So, AI models that stop when they've thought enough, phones making videos from stills, automation that replaces your whole team, billion-dollar GPU wars. The future's not coming. It just landed on your doorstep. Hit that subscribe if you're into the bleeding edge of AI. Smash that like button to tell the algorithm you're awake. Drop a comment. What blew your mind most this week? This is just the beginning. I'll see you in the next one.